4K Pro Sedon 80p Dual Recording. RedTiger brings to you f7np Dual Dash Cam, which records video of up to Ultra HD, 4K Q384 forward suit 260p, plus FHD 1080p resolutions. It helps you to read the key details like road signs, vehicle number plates, etc. To reduce the blind areas, it has the front wide angle of 170 degree and rear wide angle of 140 degree.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So right now what I'm doing, Tiger dash cam right here, the 4K. I'm gonna go ahead and install it, show you guys what the quality looks like. So let's see here, if I can get over here. So there is a sticky mount right here that you already see. Go ahead and take that off. And then at the same time, I believe I need to plug this thing in first. Actually, you know what? Let me plug that thing in first before I mount this thing, because what's gonna happen is that I need to see how things look first. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the engine on just so I can get the thing to work here. There we go. Oh, there we go. It's on now. You can see me, right? So what I've done is I've decided to stick it on my toe tag, because my toe tag is a plastic material. It actually sticks pretty well with this kind of sticker, and the view, I like the view, so that's why I stuck it there. And then my toe tag is actually not in the way, it's just right above it. So yeah, I think that's a good spot. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. Now my next step is to hide this little wire here. Okay guys, so I'm done with installing this. What I've done is I've kind of routed all the cables and everything up through my little visor here and then down on the side here. What I realized was that this little thing right here that it came with, it's basically to use that is so that you can tuck your cables in your car. It's a DIY thing and I love it. I actually put this into use and look how clean it is. All the cables are tucked in and everything. You see that? Obviously I can't tuck it in here, so that's kind of coming out over there. But then I literally tucked everything under my little dash here, and it comes all the way out here and into this little thing, cigarette lighter adapter right there. And that is it. That's simple. I'm not a car guy. I actually called my car guy and asked if he can install it for me. He goes, well, that's gonna cost you twice as much as what the camera costs. So I went ahead and did it myself, and looks like it's working really well. Every time I turn my car on, this is what it looks like right here. It just the recording function just turns on automatically. I didn't have to do much at all. Yeah. And then that's it. It's there. Whenever I turn on my car now, it just automatically starts recording. So I'm going to show you guys the footage on here, and that's it, guys. I'm out of here. Bye-bye.
Hi everyone, this is Ryan from Holy Sheet Quality Control. Today in this video, we are going to review the F7 dashcam from RedTiger. The RedTiger F7 actually feels quite tiny compared to other dashcams we have reviewed. In terms of tech, the front camera measures 3.8 by 1.2 by 0.7 inches and weighs 30 grams. It is equipped with a 3.16-inch full-color screen that sits at the rear. We personally prefer having a physical screen as it makes setting up the camera much easier and interacting with it on the move is possible, rather than having to pull out a smartphone and access an app to review clips or make sure things are saved properly. The RedTiger F7 is otherwise sleek and feels sturdy with its smooth front design, only interrupted by a fairly protruding square lens. This is accompanied by a neat flap that allows easy attachment of the windscreen sucker mount. So, if you park somewhere that's a little bit shady, you can go ahead and throw this in your box with no issues at all. Other than that, on the left side, you can see an SD card port and a power button, along with 3 control buttons on the opposing flank. At the top, there is also a port for attaching a rear camera and a power port. The RedTiger F7 can offer 4K UHD, which means a resolution of 3840 by 2160 in the front. This, in turn, means sharper, higher quality video with key details like number plates being easier to see compared to having an HD camera. However, if you choose to use the rear camera, you do have to drop down the resolution just a tiny bit. So instead of 3840 by 2160, you'll have to drop this to 2160 for the front, and you get a max of 1080 for the rear. But then again, you're still getting a really nice quality image from the front. The F7 rear camera is IP68, waterproof, and drip-proof structured, so you don't have to worry about the camera situation even in rainy or cloudy weather. The resulting footage is timestamped with the correct date, while GPS means it is also cleverly processed with the exact location and speed at which an incident occurred. This could prove crucial when using the footage as evidence. The RedTiger F7 can capture footage in stunning 4K, but it requires a large memory card to store a decent amount of footage. The F7 supports high-endurance microSD memory cards up to 256 GB. As expected, with the built-in G sensor, the dashcam quickly captures an emergency situation and automatically locks the footage, preventing it from being overwritten and ensuring that the important footage is kept safe. The RedTiger F7 dashcam uses a supercapacitor design to withstand extreme temperatures, ranging from -4 to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, preventing the risk of overheating, explosion, and melting. The F7 camera has a built-in Wi-Fi with easy connection to your smartphone using the Ucom app. You can access videos on the app, play and download these videos, and share your journey as well with friends or relatives on social media. You can easily operate and set the dashcam on the app. In conclusion, this is the first 4K UHD camera that we've ever reviewed that delivers the extra detail you would expect at that resolution. It captures great, but 4 times the storage is required. Nevertheless, it's a very nice front-rear dashcam combo. And that's all for this one. Again, this is Holy Sheet. Thanks for watching.
And today I want to tell you about this RedTiger 4K front and rear dash cam. First off, let's talk about video quality. The 4K front camera and the 1080p rear camera look beautiful. They're very clear both in daytime and nighttime driving. Now keep in mind what you see on this video is compressed, so what you will see from your actual footage will look even better than what this video shows. When setting it up, the first thing you want to do is get the SD card put in and format it. Before you peel the tape off, you want to make sure that you check where exactly you want your camera to be. Once you've decided on your location, go ahead and put the clear electrostatic sticker on the windshield where you will affix your camera via the double stick tape. Another good thing to check before you stick it to the windshield is this GPS signal to make sure that wherever you're putting it is not disrupting that. After that, all you need to do is hide all of the wires if you plan on keeping it a permanent installation. They even included a trim tool in the box to make it easier to get the wires hidden. And while license plate, I ended up installing the rear camera up high on our SUV. So if you're looking for a high-resolution dash cam for both the front and the rear of your car that's going to give you crystal clear video, whether day or night, I think this RedTiger 4K dash cam set is a great deal, and that's my point of view.